If you're looking for hardwood flooring, HardWood Planet is definitely the place to go and start your adventure for hardwood flooring. They have different species, so they have red oak, they have white oak, they have maple, they have some walnuts, so you're not limited to one species or one color. HardWood Planet is very price comparable with other products for a quality engineered floor or a quality solid oak or maple floor. They're right up there with all the big companies, and their quality is there as well. They're all very knowledgeable. Like I said, the one I deal with mostly is Alex and Victor. And if there's a product I'm looking for, they'll find it and they'll bring it in. Everybody there is friendly, easy to get along with. So I've never had any issues whatsoever with HardWood Planet. I would definitely recommend HardWood Planet. They have a large variety, lots of species, lots of colors, easy to deal with if you're trying to match an existing floor or just choose a new floor for your family room or your whole house. HardWood Planet is definitely the way to go.